Hey guys, subscribers, welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video, I'll be showing something new to you guys, and as you can see in the title below, it is gonna be a Teami related video. Because a lot of you guys are still asking me about the price of Timi Colon, Timi Skinny, yung Timi tumbler, and paano siya mababayaran, or if yung Teami is supported by cash on delivery ba or something. I'll be answering those questions after I show you guys the new product of Teami that I've been using for a couple of weeks now. But before that, I just wanna share to you guys my new tumbler, my new pink tumbler, baby pink tumbler, because my previous Teami tumbler was hot pink. This is the 400 ml edition. Well, I mean the size, 400 ml size. Then this one is bigger. This is 600 ml. Ayan, it's baby pink. Then this one is hot pink. So, eto yung nilalagyan, or eto yung lalagyanan niya. This is the Teami box. Ayan, I've actually unboxed this on my TikTok account. Okay, fine. So, I'll just put the TikTok video on my screen in 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my new segment, Unboxing Packages from Online Shops Part 1. #.spons. So if nakakatanggap kayo ng package, make sure to disinfect it just to be safe. Ayan, paalala lang. Open sesame. I really love opening packages. Tara! First is Timi Colon, 15 bags. This is my third Timi Colon na kasi naubos ko na yung first. Then, hala, binigyan nila ako ng Teami tumbler. Pink na naman siya, pero this is baby pink this time. Kasi yung nasa akin is hot pink. Ayan. Ah, ang cute! Last item is green superfood blend. Ayan. So that's basically everything that I got from Teami. If you guys are interested, I do have a code from Teami. It's ZIA25 for 25% off on your next purchase. Bye!
Okay, so yes, this is it. This is the pop open lid. This one is the leaf strainer. And this one right here is the BPA-free plastic lining. Tapos, eto naman yung wrist strap niya. This one is the outer shell. And this one, last but not the least, is the storage compartment. Dito nyo pwede malagay yung mga, like, yung ganto, Timi Colon na leaf, or pag nagmamadali na kayo or something. Basta you can put something in here like that. Pak! O, diba? Super dali lang. Super convenient ng tumbler talaga na to. By the way, the leaf strainer is for the Timi Skinny, diba? Meron siyang mga loose leaves. So, kapag ginamit nyo na yung tumbler na to, hindi nyo na makakain yung mga loose leaf tea. If you guys are wondering kung anong laman ng Teami tumbler ko, it is the green superfood blend. But before we jump into that, I just want to tell you guys that this is my third Timi Colon already. Because I love it so much. It's really gentle, simple, and 100% natural. It can really get all the toxins in my tummy, like the processed foods, yung mga corned beef, sardines, sausage, spam, carbonated drinks / soda, and etc. that we are exposed to daily. So for those who kept asking me about Timi Colon's price, it's for $24.99. It is best paired with Timi Skinny, pero yung Timi Skinny ko, parang konti lang ata siya, mga 5 servings na lang siguro, and I will repurchase again. You can drink this every other night. All you have to do is get a mug, put some hot water, and let it steep for 1 to 5 minutes if you are a beginner. But if matagal-tagal na din kayong gumagamit nito, then you can work it up to 30 minutes, because the longer the Timi Colon is inside the hot water, the more effective it is to flush out all the toxins in your tummy. You can actually add honey or nectar if you guys want your tea to be kind of sweet, but it actually depends on your preferences. Next is the Timi Green Superfood Blends. This one is 320 grams. Ayan. So this is what I've been drinking lately. I got this for $29.99. It contains 80% of your daily vitamins, because 1 scoop is equivalent to 16 superfoods. So this is also a way to help you guys intake your daily veggies. Ang ingay! It also promotes natural energy levels, regular digestion, and of course, your overall well-being. So I see some changes on my skin. It became more clear and glowy. You can also make smoothie bowls, oatmeals, and etc. I'll be dropping the links down below on some of the recipes with the green superfood blend. And also, what's cool about this is that it doesn't, like for example, gumagawa kayo ng shake, like, what do you call it? Banana shake. So it doesn't throw off the taste of the banana sa shake. Instead, it enhances the flavor of the shake. Meron din kasi ako nung parang mini blender. Hindi ko siya dala dito kasi ito lang yung dala ko. But yeah, meron akong mini blender and then gumawa ako ng banana shake. Then nilagyan ko nito. If you guys like the taste of matcha or green tea, then I'm pretty sure you guys will love this too. It would also taste great if it was like a hot matcha latte. But if you guys are not into matcha or green tea, like my cousin, kasi pinatikim ko siya ng ganito, tapos sabi niya, ugh, it doesn't taste good daw. I don't know, maybe it's just because mahilig talaga ako sa matcha like ever since before when I was born. For me I like it because the flavor is like matcha-ish kind of thing. It says here, it's made without fillers or additives, artificial flavors, artificial colors, and artificial chemicals. So they promise that it has 16 superfood ingredients, 100% plant-based, vegan, GMO-free, gluten-free, and dairy or soy-free. By the way, this is recommended for adults only if you are taking prescription medication or are pregnant or nursing. Consult your healthcare provider prior to using this product. Every individual has their own medical and physical conditions, therefore, we cannot foresee any adverse reactions to our all-natural blends. Pero guys, disclaimer lang ha, that this product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. It's already my 3rd week of using this and I see some changes on my skin. My skin became like kind of glowy and of course it became smoother kasi before I used to have this like small little bumps on my face. Medyo nawawala na siya. Hindi na siya super obvious unlike before. So yeah, that's it. If you guys want to order these, I will link it down below in the description box. And of course, I do have a discount code for you guys as usual para maka-discount kayo or mas makamura kayo if you guys want to buy or purchase greens or Timi Tumbler or Timi Colon or the Timi Skinny. My code is ZIA20 for 20% off with a minimum purchase of $40. I will also be linking down below the recipes na pwede nyo magamit sa green superfood blends kasi marami talagang pwedeng paggamitan nito. Okay, so now I'm gonna be answering questions that you guys... Okay, so now I'm gonna be answering some questions that you guys always ask me regarding Timi. Okay, so first question is price range. So, yung price range ng Timi is $8 to $150. Or, wait, i-convert ko into peso. 8 times 50, 400 to 7,500 pesos. Next question is, how much daw yung Timi tea? Marami kasing Timi tea. I'm not sure if you guys want to know the price of Timi Skinny or Timi Colon. Pero meron silang set which is the Detox Starter Pack. It is for $84.99. But you can use my code to get 20% off which is ZIA20. So yung Detox Starter Pack, it already comes with Timi Colon, Timi Skinny, Timi Tumbler, and yung, and yung Timi Infuser. Pero merong mas cheaper. It is the 30-day detox pack. If you guys already have the Timi Tumbler, then you can go for the Timi 30-day detox pack. It is for $49.99. Tapos if you guys want to order the Timi Tumbler alone, it is for $20.99. And also, to answer the question if Timi is COD supported, the answer is no, I don't think so. Kasi I tried checking out sa Timi and yung lumalabas lang is mga PayPal, mga Amazon Pay, or you can even use your credit card. Pero pag bumibili kasi ako ng Timi, I always use my PayPal account. So, it's easy lang naman to sign up for PayPal. You guys can like download the app or like go to PayPal's website and just sign up there. Or yeah, basta yun lang yung ginawa ko para maka-order ako ng Timi. Kasi diba, ito din yung ginagamit ni Ivana Alawi. Ayan, so siya pa lang yung nakita ko na Filipino celeb na gumagamit din ng Timi. So, yun. Tapos, yung order nyo guys is, dinedeliver siya ng Timi door-to-door talaga. So, yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Follow me on TikTok because I post videos there every single day, every 12 p.m. or 7 p.m. Ayan, so stay tuned. And what else? I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky's the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.